Look, it's a gift Ferrero Rocher box. Inside chocolates with ribbons, gold ribbons. Here have limited edition classic uniform shopping bag. Can put 8 kilos stuff things. This is the iMon for 15 NT. This one, my Melody, 15 NT. 15 NT. Jolly surprise inside. Chocolate sweet toy. Jolly brand. Surprise Jolly. Kit Kat Chunky. Hello Kitty. Japan Hello Kitty chocolate. Mario chocolate. Milo crunchies. Active, stay active. Maltesers, M&M, Twix, Snickers. This one is delicious. 39 NT. Choco brownie. Here is 10 NT only. Key egg. Here are the breads. Have corn already here. Corn stick 55 NT each. Hot dogs. Ball pens. Yeah, let's see how much each. This one's ball pen is 15 NT only. At 28 NT. 28 NT only. This one 15 NT. Here's the yogurt and cakes, chocolate tart, 49 NT only. This one, Hershey, wow. This one, Hershey chocolate mousse cup. This strawberry yogurt is delicious. Look here. This one is delicious. This one is delicious. 89 NT. This one with rice, 79 NT only. Pocky strawberries, chocolate and almonds, chocolate cookie, and cookie and cream. This one is delicious, macadamia nuts chocolate. I think this one is 69 NT. Wow! Chicharon ni Mang Juan. Wow, delicious Jack and Jill. 69 NT only. From Philippines. This is delicious. This is a vegetable crackers. Wow, clam. Stir-fried clam, 69 NT. Hello Kitty. I think candy's inside. So cutie. Here have the if you need you don't bring the cold towel face mask, you can buy the here face mask. There's different kinds of face masks for kids and for adults, different kind of colors and designs. This wet tissue Kleenex pink is smells so good. pH can drop it in the bowel. Cleansing foam. Wow, this one, I like to try this one. I don't know how much is this, but I think it's good. Okay, here the Heat Tech pink large. How much? I don't know how much. Okay. This one is delicious chocolate drink. Jalapeno. This one 7-Eleven B Feng Mi Chui Bee water. It's delicious also. And the tea here is tea Tetra Pak is very nice and it's affordable, only 25 NT. London, sharing 2024. Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. And here's the Hello Kitty raincoat umbrellas. Comfort room.